now let us come back to our edit, and we have done the validation. Now let us try to save the value. So if we have id, it's a, so if dollar input, if is set dollar input id, ठीक है, एंड नॉट एम्प्टी पे डाल देते हैं, नॉट एम्प्टी डॉलर इनपुट आईडी, देन अगर आईडी है तो ये क्या है, हाँ आईडी है तो इट्स अ एडिट फॉर्म, ठीक है, एंड इफ इट्स नॉट एन आईडी इट्स अ क्रिएट फॉर्म. आईडी इज रिटर्न बिकॉज वी हैव सेट इनपुट टाइप हिडन इन आवर फॉर्म. ठीक है, कोई डाउट यहाँ तक? ठीक है, सो let us create blogs, find or fail, find or fail dollar input id, and then dollar blog slash update. ठीक है, अभी अपडेट में अपने को क्या करना पड़ेगा, हम लोग इंडिविजुअली भी डिफाइन कर सकते हैं और ऑब्जेक्ट को भी पास कर सकते हैं. लेट अस सिंपली put the column names over here and then define the value input title, we can have description, short, ठीक है, and then return redirect, हमको उसमें बैक भी तो भेज देना पड़ेगा ना. ठीक है, डायरेक्शन 22, सेव, डन, अपडेटेड, एज सिंपल एज दैट. ठीक है, अभी यहाँ पे जब हम क्रिएट कर रहे हैं तो ब्लॉक्स क्रिएट, चलो डॉलर इनपुट डाल के देखते हैं क्या होता है. और यहाँ पे हम डाल दिए डॉलर रिटर्न, सॉरी रिटर्न डायरेक्ट, थ्रूआउट admin dot blocks dot list. Thank you. ठीक है, so in add we go ठीक है, कितना कोड लिखे, जितना बड़ा फॉर्म होता doesn't matter, single is enough, and we can even do the same thing over here. ठीक है, but for being on the safer side I'm doing this. ठीक है, हो गया, एडिट हो गया, क्रिएट हो गया. अभी हम यहाँ पे दे देते हैं एक मैसेज। सपोज यहाँ पे एक मैसेज आ जाएगा अपने नीचे, लाइक not on form, let us do it on list, blog list, add, we create a new blog created, ठीक है। now this will show up for the style, color green, font साइज, थोड़ा दिखने के लिए हम इसको बड़ा कर देते हैं, ठीक है। अभी आएगा जब भी ब्लॉग क्रिएट होगा उसके बाद रिफ्रेश करेंगे तो 11 हो जाएगा। हाउ कैन वी डू दैट? सेशन एंड फ्लैश, फ्लैश will only show the value once, means it, the session will store, the value will be stored in the session variable just for one request. In the next request it's automatically destroyed, ठीक है। So how can we do that? We have to go in the controller, reduce sessions, and then in the session flash blog created, ठीक है। And over here what we have to write, now form what we have to write, where what we have to write, if session, sorry session, we have to define a name, create message, yes, success message, suppose let us put success, okay। over here we have to blog has, we have to we can also access okay, ठीक है। अभी है मैसेज नहीं है, गए टेस्टिंग और flash, this is our test for session flash, the values will be available for only one request, now let's save it, block created, ठीक है, simple, edit working, edit में we have to show the same thing over here, ठीक है। so what we can do, we can go to our controller, copy pasting same thing, but this is redirecting us to the form page, huh? So in the form page we have to use this, we can put it anywhere, ठीक है, wherever we want, I'm just putting for fun, and as we are using, we'll save it, ठीक है। now we can, as we have written this code in two different places, same code, so we can actually create a new component, a new blade file, and include this rather than copy and pasting it in every file. And now this very same technique is used for displaying something like you in p-notify, implementing p-notify or a toaster message. So say for example, I've just put a text over here, but if I use this plugin, I can create something like this. Something wrong. कुछ issue होगा चलो. Yeah. This message will be this messages will be created. We can use this plugin or a toaster plugin to show our message using the same technique. Now who will tell me the codes for delete? क्या होगा delete का code? Delete we have ID. We have to go to web. We have to go to create. ठीक है? Delete, admin block, create, then delete. So this we have to delete. Now we have the delete route, but it's not ready because we need ID, right? What is the meaning of this question mark? Optional. So here it's not required, but if there is a uh, if there is a variable which is not required, which may or may not be required, we can keep it variable, keep it optional like this. ठीक है? Keep the variable optional like that. ठीक है? Now we have to use this same thing to generate our, put the link in the list. How can we do that? Route ठीक है? Missing parameters, yes. ID, how to give the ID, blog, ठीक है? Delete मिल गए. क्यों? क्योंकि we haven't written anything over here, but yeah, we have the, ठीक है? Now how can we do that? Delete $blog equal to ठीक है? Without so blog deleted, it's gone. CRUD completed with form request validation, with everything. Anything else?
I hope you like this video. Do like, share and subscribe.